Today, we would like to take you on a journey to another equally impressive moon. Our contribution today is dedicated to one of the most famous natural satellites in our planetary network, Jupiter's moon Europa. In the field of astronomy, the great spotlight occasionally falls on the famous planets of our solar system. We quickly forget, in light of the numerous reports about Mars, Saturn, and company, that the natural satellites of those celestial bodies also exert a great fascination. It is not without reason that the first manned moon landing in 1969 is still considered one of the greatest milestones in the history of space exploration. We will tell you about the moon's characteristics and the missions that have been conducted to investigate it. We will also show you some amazing actual photos of Europa. As always, we wish you a lot of pleasure on our galactic voyage. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Simply Space, and look forward to the videos that are waiting for you in the future. Music. Europa is the largest planet in our solar system's permanent partner. Europa adds to the lengthy list of Jupiter's moons that have been found thus far. The Galactic Society's celestial body has at least 78 additional natural satellites, and the fixed planet of all these moons is also the largest planet in our solar system. The equatorial diameter of Jupiter sums up to an astounding 143,000 kilometers. This indicates that the gas giant is more than 10 times larger than Earth's diameter, which is around 12,742 kilometers. During the course of various space missions, NASA has discovered a great deal about the huge planet and its moons. The first actual photographs of Europa were taken by the unmanned Pioneer probes in the early 1970s, but they were still incredibly blurry and only showed a few details of the moon's surface. A few years later, the Voyager space probes returned to the area immediately surrounding Jupiter and added much sharper images of the natural satellite to the original pictures. The largest mission to date to study Jupiter's moon started in 1995, when the Galileo spacecraft entered Jupiter's atmosphere to study the giant gas planet and its moons over the course of 8 years. The project ended on schedule in 2003, and during that time, Galileo took countless photographs that helped scientists understand the nature and characteristics of Jupiter's moon Europa. Currently, the Juno spacecraft is in the vicinity of the gas giant, from which it provides the experts on Earth with countless valuable pieces of information. Before we get into some of the most incredible images of Jupiter's moon, let us take a quick look at the natural satellite by answering the question: what do we know about Europa? Let's begin with the identification of the dimensions of the Galilean moons. The equatorial diameter of Earth's moon, the constant companion of our blue home planet, is around 3,474 kilometers, but the satellite of Jupiter is slightly different from the moon of Earth. Europa is the sixth largest known moon in our solar system, however, only marginally smaller than Earth's moon, with a diameter of roughly 3,121 kilometers. Although the Earth's moon and Jupiter's satellite are comparable in size, the celestial body's compositions differ greatly. Europa belongs to the group of natural satellites known as icy moons, whose surfaces, as the name of the corresponding category implies, are primarily composed of ice. As a result, it is not surprising that Europa's temperature never rises above -150 degrees Celsius. Galileo Galilei, a renowned Italian scholar, was the first to discover the moon Jupiter's natural satellite in 1610. The universal researcher also discovered the moons Callisto, Io, and Ganymede simultaneously, which is why these celestial bodies are still referred to as the Galilean moons today.